Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 1964 GTO with a 389 under the hood. Look at this beautiful paint. She is gorgeous, and you know what? It is just as nice on the bottom too. That's right, this baby was on the rotisserie, so the bottom of it is red also. Look at the chrome, look at the grille. Whenever you're looking at one of these cars, you gotta look at all the fine details. Right up to the badge on the hood. Look at that baby. Look how beautiful it is. Look in the details there. Absolutely beautiful. All the body lines are looking good. Now stand back and look at the stance on this car. That baby screams muscle car. We got Cragars and BFGs. We got the back end jacked up. We got it looking sweet. Look at those reflections in that red paint too, man. You want to talk about beautiful? Man, it looks good. The door gaps there in the front and the back looking good. And oh yeah, my favorite colored interior, black. And check out that steering wheel, man. I love it. It looks great and it looks brand new. All the trim in there is looking sweet. That dash is looking great. The dash pad's looking great. All the details on this one looking sweet. We got great looking upholstery on the seats, front and rear. Package trays looking good. Headliners looking good. She is a beauty. Inside and out. Look at those door jambs too, man. It's all in the details. Look at the jam here. Look at that. I mean, that's got to be just what it looked like out of the factory. She is gorgeous. Looking down that big long quarter panel, body man did a beautiful job. Hundreds of hours in this baby. Look at this little door for putting gas in. Isn't that sweet? Isn't that a lot better than bending down, putting it behind the license plate? The later cars were like that. That's so much nicer. Look at that emblem there, looking sweet. All right, let's get in the trunk. Look in here, man. Look at those wheel wells. Look at the paintwork in there. Talk about attention to detail. Now, whenever you're looking at one of these cars, make sure you pick up the mat. Look at that. That's a nice surprise, isn't it? Beautiful. Spare tire in there, looks like the jack's in there. Paintwork on the bottom side of the deck lid's looking good. Always make sure you check this lip, especially when there's a piece of chrome there. Those babies rotted out back in the day. Look down that side. Great big old long car. Straight as an arrow. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment. That means we own this beautiful car, so you know we did our homework before we bought it. First thing that happens to every car is they go up on the lift and they get all checked out so we can answer all your questions when you call Tom at 248-974-9513. Then we take our pictures, do our videos, so we can show you exactly what we're going to park in your driveway. Now, if you want to check us out on the web, go to VanguardMotorsales.com. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button, and we'll send you a notification every time we post a new video. Here we go for riding a 64. You want to talk about sweet? This baby is sweet. Top, bottom, inside and out. Wait till you see the bottom of this baby. Tell you what, we just did the video on the bottom of it. Man, is it beautiful. It's driving sweet, looking sweet. Tell you what, one of my favorite cars right here. GTO basically started the muscle car industry. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are shipping experts. We can ship this beauty anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Now, if you want help with financing, we can help you out with financing too. Tom can take care of all that for you. And if you'd like to fill out an app online, you can go right to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Also, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that bell button. We'll send you a notification every time we get a new video done. And getting a thumbs up from that gentleman. This is one sweet machine. Look at that dash. Looks like it's brand new. Everything looking sweet. Now it does have the original radio in it. Now you can get some aftermarket radios that play, you know, AM, FM, and you can hook your phone up to it and all that stuff. Of course, this is just a regular AM radio. Usually those AM radios don't do you much good. I'm not a radio guy myself, but those radios are fairly inexpensive. A lot of guys pick those up, put them in. Now we're about to do something that nobody does to every one of their cars in inventory. At Vanguard, every car in inventory goes up on the lift so you can see exactly what's going on. So stick with us, we're about to do that here just in a minute. If you'd like to come check it out in person, we'd love to have you. We do sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen on the net, but please come on in, we'd love to meet you. If you want to send an inspector, got no problem with an inspector either. You just send them on in, we'll treat them just like we'd treat you. Here's our main facility at 15100 Keel Street, Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us, we're going in the air with this baby right now. All right, we're underneath this red GTO now, and man, it's pretty under here. You can see the frame's nicely painted, the tank's nicely painted, the floorboards are all nicely painted, the bushings are new. The rear end's got a nice coat of paint on it. It's got a 331 gear, and it is a limited slip. Looks like a brand new fuel filter here, brand new fuel lines. Looks like the shocks are fairly new. It looks like the drums are new. I see new hardware here, and the guys here will take all the brakes apart, make sure they're in good working order. We got new bushings on the lower control arm. Looks like we got stock appearing mufflers here. We got new parking brake cable, and look at the red paint on the bottom of this car. Definitely frame off restored for sure. Beautiful paint on the frame, all new bushings. We got new brake lines and fuel lines going front to back. The trans is a 4-speed. We got a stock appearing bell housing, stock appearing clutch linkage also. Exhaust looks good all the way to the front. Lower control arms have been all restored, all painted up, looking good. It does have drum brakes up front, and again, the guys pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. I see what looks like fairly new ball joints. I see what looks like fairly new parts up here in the steering components. The sway bar looks like it's new, and it's definitely got new bushings. Everything up here looks nice. The front frame horns are nice and straight. Even the back side of the bumper's clean. And that front side, that chrome is shining, looking good. The wheel wells look good. The wheels are great, man. Gotta have Cragars on your GTO. And we've got, the size is 215/60/15s. It's got the stainless rocker molding. I always try to get a finger in behind here. Take a look at the bottom edge of that front fender. That tells the story. That one, of course, is beautiful. Pinch weld looks good. They even painted the bottom side of the rocker there. Out back here, we got more rubber on the back. We got two 55/60/15s, and again, brand new Cragars. And then of course the dual exhaust coming right out there, man, and that's where the music is coming out. Now let's get under the hood and check out what's making that music. All right, under the hood here we've got a 389. It is date code correct from the casting number there. It does have a period correct carburetor on it. Everything under here is all nice and clean. They've actually used GM hoses. They've used the correct clamps. I mean, it is beautiful under the hood of this thing. The master cylinder looks like it's a rebuilt unit. This is a go fast car, guys, so she does not have power steering or power brakes. Brakes work great on it. I've already driven this car. She's got a fan clutch on the fan there. Looks like the radiator's fairly new also. The chrome on that air cleaner is looking sweet, and the chrome on the valve covers is looking sweet. That firewall is nicely cleaned up, looking beautiful. I mean, everything about this car, right down to the fiberglass on the bottom side of the hood's looking sweet, guys. So give us a call. She's a GTO, she's beautiful, she's red. Tom's answering his phone 7 days a week. Give him a call and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.